Good evening. Chris Huffman. Tough for junk removal, tough for pest control, tough for environmental services, and anything else I can put my name on. It's 10 to 9 at night. A good long day today. Had I think 5 jobs today. The first one was brush removal, and he had a bunch of old firewood already cut up, and then a stack of old logs that were pretty weathered and falling apart, but some still needed to be cut down. And like I always do when I'm on those jobs, always seems like I underbid them. But part of that was because we had a bad chainsaw. I had to go get the primer bulb for it this morning, but didn't think about the chain being sharp, and I'm just borrowing a buddy's chainsaw. And it was dull, so you know, a half hour later when we should have been done, you know, we ain't even a third done. And it all was definitely filling up more of my box truck than I had anticipated. We could have got the rest in, no problem, but you know, we just got tired of dealing with that chainsaw, so I'm going to go back tomorrow and finish him up. Got the chainsaw to a shop today, getting it picked up in the morning. It should go pretty quick. And then went to do a bid about 45 minutes away. And for everything she had out there, it was probably going to be $2,400. So she just wanted me to focus on one part of it. So I cut her a deal. Normally about $600 a load. If I just focused on that one part, $400. So we'll try to get her in the books. It's supposed to rain this week. And then back to the shop to switch into my truck and trailer, and then I found out my buddy needed my truck, so I had to use his truck, so I didn't grab my trailer. I went and did a property preservation job to paint a discolored ceiling in a closet and trim some tree limbs away from the house. But since I did not have my truck and trailer, did not have a ladder, every time I switched vehicles I missed something. So did what I could there and go back tomorrow with the ladder and get the rest of that done. And on that job we got attacked by a little snake. I'll show you a video of that. It's pretty interesting. And from there I went to go pick up a washer in an upstairs apartment for an older lady, but she still works, and she said she was one of the lucky ones because she still has been able to work during this whole virus thing. So I went upstairs with my son-in-law, my helper, and I have a $75 minimum. And then if I'm getting into a lead source like Home Advisor, I try to tack that on too. So I told her $100. It was just a couple small flights of steps. If she'd pay $125.